As daylight fades beneath the rainforest canopy, one of Earth's most remarkable mammals begins another dangerous night. Ordinary instinct. Unlike most mammals, the pangolin depends almost entirely on smell. Every scent carried through the humid air reveals hidden pathways, sustaining its life on the tiny insects that it finds. Hidden beneath the forest floor lies a colony containing thousands of insects. For the pangolin, this discovery could provide enough energy to survive another night. With no teeth, the pangolin relies on a tongue longer than its own head. Coated in sticky saliva, it harvests hundreds of insects in only a few moments. But the rainforest is shared with hunters. Unseen among the shadows, another pair of eyes has already noticed the unsuspecting pangolin. For a brief moment, the forest falls silent. The pangolin has sensed what its eyes cannot yet see. Somewhere nearby, danger is closing in. For a brief moment, the forest falls silent. The pangolin has sensed what its eye cannot yet see. Somewhere near, the leopard depends on silence. Every careful step brings it closer. But the pangolin's remarkable sense of smell has already detected that something is wrong. Rather than flee, the pangolin trusts experience. Dense roots and narrow spaces offer the best chance of survival against a much larger predator. In less than a second, the pangolin becomes something entirely different, an almost perfect sphere of living armor. Unlike bone or shell, these overlapping scales flex together, absorbing force while protecting the vulnerable body hidden inside. Patience is the pangolin's greatest weapon. Sometimes, survival belongs not to the fastest, but to the one that knows exactly when to wait. Only when every danger has faded does the pangolin reveal itself once more. In the rainforest, patience often means the difference between life and death. The deeper it travels, the older the forest becomes. Here, every fallen tree, tangled root, and hidden hollow offers both opportunity and danger. Even a fallen tree can become a feast. Beneath decaying wood, entire insect colonies provide the energy needed for another long night. But another hunter has been waiting far longer. Hidden beneath the forest floor lies one of Asia's largest and most patient predators. Unlike the leopard, the python does not chase. It waits, allowing its prey to approach on its own. For a single heartbeat, predator and prey remain motionless. In the rainforest, the next decision could determine which one survives the night. The ambush is almost perfect, but the pangolin reacts in a fraction of a second, transforming itself into a fortress the python cannot easily overcome. Restriction is one of nature's most effective hunting strategies. Yet tonight, every coil meets an unexpected barrier, an armor built through millions of years of evolution. Unable to find a weakness, the giant snake abandons its hunt. For the pangolin, survival once again depends on remarkable patience. The rainforest never remains dangerous for long. It simply offers the next challenge, waiting just beyond the trees. Every safe shelter is valuable. In a forest filled with hunters, even a hollow log can become a temporary sanctuary. The longest nights often end with hope. But before sunrise brings safety, the pangolin must overcome one final test in the ancient forest. With the darkness fading, the pangolin searches for something every survivor needs, a place secure enough to rest before another dangerous night begins. Though small, every improvement matters. A hidden entrance may be enough to escape the attention of the forest's relentless hunters. Not every encounter in the rainforest ends in conflict. Sometimes, survival simply means remaining unnoticed. Rain transforms the forest within minutes. For the pangolin, a well-chosen shelter now proves its true value. Every storm leaves the rainforest renewed. But for its smallest survivors, caution remains just as important as shelter. For now, the journey is over. Hidden beneath ancient in a world where every new sunset begins the struggle once again. With the arrival of dawn, the forest awakens once more. For the pangolin, another dangerous night has finally come to an end. Each scale is made from keratin, the same material found in our own fingernails, to extraordinary defenses in the animal kingdom. Behind every quiet morning lies a story of survival. Few animals endure so many dangers with such remarkable calm and resilience. The rainforest never belongs to a single creature. Countless lives unfold together, each playing a vital role in this ancient ecosystem. Nor power, but the ability to simply disappear into a world it knows better than any predator. Quiet, patient, and rarely seen, the pangolin, it survives not through strength alone, but through extraordinary and carry nature's greatest wonders.